Hello everyone, and welcome back to this new live. Today is Wednesday 21st, and we are gonna try to make some money again. Yesterday was a bit positive day. One green trade, one red trade that went up green on the day, thanks to the risk reward. And what else? We are gonna be careful today with the trade copier, because yesterday it messed us the trades. I'm gonna check it right now. See, it's not properly setted, so I'm gonna do it. So now everything's good, and leave it there. Okay, perfect. So yesterday this trade copper messed up everything, so we're gonna try to don't make the same mistakes today, trying to be careful on it, and that's it. Okay, let me try to put this down a bit, because I'm not able to see my monitor. Okay. What do we have right now? If we go to the half an hour chart on the ES, after yesterday big downside comeback, we didn't make new high in the day, so we're still in a downside momentum. So we did not make new highs. You see, lower high, lower high, lower, I mean new highs. So yeah, it makes sense. New higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So look at that. So we're still in a downside momentum right now, and we are approaching the opening bell at this level. That was an opening print level of previous days. So we might have some support here, or we're gonna destroy yesterday's low and move to the next one. I don't think yesterday's low will be, if we come back to it, I don't think it's gonna be the support. Even if we had a huge bounce, probably we're gonna test these levels before jumping back. We have the 4,400, so at that level, so it's a big level, and that's mostly from around ES. Look at that, just coming down step by step. So that's what I believe. We might gonna retest this level before jumping back. But if we go to the 1 day chart, what is it? And we zoom in. What do we see right now? Now is we had 3 consecutive red days after an amount of 6 consecutive green days. Today is forming the 4th day. Or we're gonna bounce at this level. Oh yes, we might bounce at this opening level I said before, because if we don't bounce here, then we're gonna retest these levels. But if we bounce right now, then it means this can be a nice reversal to the upside and make a new high. So this is the same every time. It's only the daily chart, but it's always the same. Coming back, pull back, maybe a new highs. Okay, so that can be the way for today. Trapping some bearish people and push up. Of course, the key is we have to break this opening print levels of the day chart. So in this case, it's 4449. So we're still far from it if it happens. And that's it for the ES. We go on the, let's go to the NQ right now. We're gonna see, I think, mostly similar things. We tried yesterday to push. We had a huge wick down at the beginning of the day. Later of the day we had wicks, and we're getting weaker and weaker, especially when we are starting to make a curve ball like that. Means that we're getting heavier and heavier to push down. This is the main level, has been opening print different times. You see how many lamps I put there. So I believe this can be the retest for today before we push higher. So that can be a way to see the market. I don't think you should go long until you do make an hour candle above these levels and closing this hour candle above it. If you want to be bullish, I guess you have to be on a scalping side, trying to get some momentum to the upside, but don't think about long runs until we don't break these levels and we don't hold them. Mostly is that for the moment, nothing special. Okay, I really need to come back very quick. Right, was it my background break time? Wow, now 5 minutes. Sorry, I'm back. Hello, Nokia. What's up, Nokia? Sorry, I had to run very quick. I'm back in the live. Let me remove the break 5 minutes. Okay, perfect. How are you, Nokia? How's it going? It's a beautiful name. Beautiful nickname. It's been a long time. It's been a long time I haven't had a Nokia. Bonne chance. Merci. Merci. Merci Nokia. Thanks to you for being here. Un petit peu. I don't really speak very good French. Je parle un petit peu français. Je parle pas bien, mais je parle l'anglais, je parle l'italien. C'est mon langue que je parle mieux. Voilà. Sorry. Désolé. Très bien. Je veux les concentrer tout de suite. Voilà. Pas de problème. Voilà, merci. Bonne chance toi aussi, hein. Tu es bienvenu de rester ici tout le temps que tu veux. We're gonna try to make some money today in the challenge accounts. Try to pass them, hopefully. Finger crossed. It's not easy. It's interesting day. Okay, let me fix the camera. Okay. Sounds slightly better. That's slightly better. 10 minutes to the opening print level. We're bouncing to the previous opening print, and yes, here I said this level is the main level to check probably today for a bounce. Is where we as well consolidated yesterday a bit before push to the highs. So that can be an important one. Yeah, you're right on that, Eugene, because I remember I watched yesterday, then I forgot about it. Let me go and check it out, because you're totally right. You're right on that. Where is it? Wednesday, 10 a.m. Testify to House panel. Senate Mission in Fed governments, Jefferson and Cook, and then with Iowa. Chicago, okay, this I guess okay, does not matter, but you're right, Powell speaks at 10 a.m. That's a very bad time to speak, right? It's just half an hour on the opening day. That's gonna make a mess. Hopefully it does not say some bullshit things that you are in a trade and it fucked up everything. So that's a good point, Eugene. Thank you for reminding me. Honestly, I really forgot about that. That's a good one. Also, I think tomorrow is gonna speak again. Was it? Yeah, testified at Senate panel. So both days can be a bit of a trigger for the market. But good luck to you, Eugene. Let's crush it like you did amazing yesterday. So hopefully you're gonna crush it as well today. Finger crossed. And if it does not happen, it's no problem. We have so many days waiting for your payout, and we celebrate together. Yeah, I see your point. Especially waiting like after Powell speaks and everything, and then you are like later you can be relaxed to play. I agree with that. With your strategy, Eugene, how many trades in average do you take per day? Curiosity, how many, like 1, 2, yesterday you said you had 3 trades and 3 trades were winners. Free for show up. Okay, that's interesting. That's a good way to take it small. That's one I think my mistakes before. I was taking too many trades. Now I moved to only 2 trades per day. 8 plus. Wow. Okay. Did you ever take 8 trades on a range day? Hello, Payne. What's up, Payne? We're here with Eugene chatting. Let's crush it today. And like Eugene said, there is power speaking today. Oh, okay, that's interesting, Eugene. If you got your entry signals, you don't care. You just enter, pop, pop, pop. That's interesting. That's interesting because you believe in your strategy. I like that. You don't have thinking about a limit of your like emotion, saying, oh, maybe I took too many trades, or maybe I should just take it. No, when you see your entry, you take it. I like that. It removes a lot of stress, to be honest. I'm done for the crazy short. Yeah, man, you took this short. I guess you took this short on NQ. This one. That is how many points? At 254. That's like 60-70 points short. That's a good short, Payne. That's a good way to get done on the day, even before the market is open, right? To be honest, Eugene, I really support that. That removes so much emotions and stress. I really support what you're doing, and it's working. It's working for you, and that's again like the most important things. I think what you do is totally right. You know, you don't have emotions saying, oh, maybe I took too many trades. No, your setup is there. You take it, and you see if it works or it does not work. You don't care. You just take it. Okay, limit time. Like you don't want to stay too much on the screen. Like 2 hours per day, 3 hours per day. Or it's depending on the day. By 11 a.m. New York. I'm just calculating in my head. Okay, that's very good. 1 hour and a half after the opening print. That's very good. I like it. I really like it. And I checked last time you sent some picture. You trade in which time frame you trade? 5 minutes. You trade on the 5 minutes time frame. It's even a good one. Yeah, I mean, I think it's probably one of the best time frame ever to trade. 12 and a half to close. So when almost lunch is done, yes, 5 and 15. It's so interesting. Your strategy is very interesting, to be honest. Very interesting. Very good job on taking it, finding it out, and applying it. I think your strategy is totally different than all the others in the Discord. Payne has a different strategy. Jose different strategy. Rigo has different, and yours has totally different one. How long have you been trading this strategy, Eugene? And this is your only strategy that you apply? Bonjour frère, bonjour Jamal. Ça va, ça va? I won a while now, but it has worked the most. Oh, okay. So you've been like trying different strategy, and then you noticed that this one was the one going well, and now you're keeping it. That's good. You tested it. You tested a lot of strategies, so that's a good one. Man, I really respect you, brother. Again, I really respect that, because you've been constant and disciplined. Honestly, you in the last year, you're gonna kill it. You are killing it. You're gonna kill it even more. I do believe so. When in the moment you will get even more PI accounts on the next discount, you're gonna like step up by not one step, by like massive steps. Like if you apply the same strategy with the copier, it's gonna be insane upside. And this is the good side of the PI accounts, is that especially when they are discounted, is that you're not losing that much money. Oof. Market opening in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's put some lines here. Copy, paste. Okay, copy, paste. A little bit of okay. Honestly, you've been doing very well, Eugene. So you keep it up like that, and you're gonna kill it. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, the opening print level is the same as the hour opening print. Wow, okay. That's sad. Let's see how it goes now. We have 10 a.m. power speaking. Maybe we're gonna chop all the time until there. Let me put the 5 minutes here. Okay. And here is as well 5 minutes. Okay, we're already going over the opening print level on E and Q. We're bouncing above it, and yes, we're below it. It's the same as yesterday, it seems. For the moment, let's see if we're gonna be strong enough on NQ to push higher like we did yesterday. We made some wicks here on the bottom, so it might happen. But yes, it's very, very weak. Okay. No trades for me for the moment. It's still too early on the day, especially you see you could have entered in this insanity on NQ and already lost a lot of money. If we go to 2 minutes, look at the 2 minutes. We went up, we closed above, we came down, we closed below, and now what are we recreating now? Another downside. Choppy moment. Okay, and Q and yes, we close the candle below the 2 levels, below the opening print, below our next level. So for the moment we look very weak on ES, and in NQ we're still playing around. We have a lot of support in NQ. If we break this level, then we're gonna have a huge run to the downside. Come on. Okay, Q is faking so many people right now. Imagine you were here selling, thinking, okay, yes, it's going down, I'm gonna short as well, and now you are trapped. You're like, oh, it's coming down, ES is gonna retest, NQ is gonna retest open print and going down. And then you got chopped out. That is the bad part of trading the first 10-15 minutes. Okay, retesting previous opening print levels. Let's see if these 2-minute candles turns red. If it turns red, I do believe we're gonna have more short side momentum. And how long we still have to this candle? 40 seconds. It's enough to close, still to close above. It's still to come back. I wanted to see. Oh. Let's see what others are doing right now. Probably Patrick is already in a trade. Usually 200% is already in a trade. He likes to trade on pre-market before the bells open. But because he likes to trade Nasdaq, I think probably he got chopped out. Oh, that's huge. Oh, this is, I think this is more downside than upside. This is huge rejection. If I had to trade, probably I would trade it like that. I don't know. I'm trying to guess. Probably just. Oh, that's totally a mess. Even if I do this level here, the units is here. If you want to play it very small, then probably somewhere here. That sounds good. Yeah. Yeah, like 20 points stop loss. And to 257 sounds good, honestly. So I think it's a good idea of trade. Especially looking at the ES, very weak. But of course, very risky because we are still on support, so we are just. You went short on NQ at 15 to 17. 15 to 17. Wow. Whoa, brother. You nailed the top, eh? You freaking nailed the top, brother. So, you enter short there. It's an amazing short, brother. And what is your profit target on that trade? I don't know. What risk reward do you apply on that? Freaking insane. Very good job, brother. That is a beautiful entry. Low of the day. So here, wow, that's risk reward is definitely the risk reward is there. Wow. If you get some help from the ES to push even stronger down, because now for the moment NQ is choppy, you might get it, but let's hopefully finger crossed that NQ starts to follow ES and we make a new lowers now in the 2-minute candle. Even my, let's see, but even if this trade turns red for you, that was an amazing entry, eh? That was an amazing entry. What the heck? You nailed it by less than 2 points. You nailed the top. We are triangulizing right now, eh? That's one. And that's one. Let's see where it goes. Yeah, before Powell speaks, right? I don't think. Yeah, I think we're gonna probably week before it because I don't think it's gonna stay here for 20 minutes more. Yeah, I do agree with that. I agree with that. It would be nice to if you get out before it. But for the moment, really, it can go both direction. Looking at the triangulation, but when I look at ES, I do believe this is gonna go down. Especially we're coming from a downside. It has everything for it to go down, but I guess this choppiness is coming from the Powell possible speaking later at 10. Come on, this 2-minute candle has to close below these levels. Okay, ES is pushing down. Okay, that's a huge push on ES. Wow, NQ doesn't want to move, eh? NQ doesn't want to move. Okay, ES is pushing. We need this 2-minute candle to close. How long we still have it? 40 seconds. Okay, Eugene, we are there. This 2 minutes candle has to close. If it's come back here strong, I don't like it. No, that's horrible. Oh, that's horrible. This is it's gonna take so many buyers, and maybe get a short squeeze higher. Oh, that's a horrible 2 minutes candle. Let's see. Still have 9 seconds to close. Okay, coming back. 1 second. Closed. Wow. Okay. That's horrible, right? When you get in a trade and it's just chop you like that, you start to get all the emotions of like, oh, it can be buy, it can be sell. What you need now is just a week for you, Eugene. Here, 77, less than 10 points. How is the 5 minutes? By 2 points. Far. So you had your points at 80. Oh yes, see. I think let's see how long. How is the 5 minute? And how long we still have to close it? Oh yeah, 2 seconds to close this candle. I think it's gonna be fine, brother. It's gonna be fine. This candle is closing below. Yes, brother, you got your profit. Let's go. Let's go. You got it. That's an amazing trade, Eugene. That's an amazing trade. You nailed the top. 1750. What is it? 750 here, and you got out at 80. So you got almost 40 points. Did you enter with one mini contract or micro? Or micros? 5 micros. That's a lot. That means like it's almost 20 points in one mini. This is almost $400 of gain. That's very good, brother. With your PA account. Freaking hell, that's an amazing trade. Good job, brother. Good job. This is my fake trade. Let's see if it's working. Oh wow, that's maybe I'm interested. I'm back testing in these last days. Oh, that's it. 96 to 56. That is 60 points target. Risking. Wait, that's 0626. No, sorry, that is 40 points target. Very good job, brother. You entered with a. How much was your stop loss on that trade, Eugene? Very curious about it because you entered at the top. So I guess your stop loss would have been probably a fixed number of points, like saying, I don't know. Was it like my stop was 20 points? Oh, okay. So that's why you took your 40 points. That was a nice 2 to 1. 1 to 2. Risk reward. Very nice, brother. Very nice. Curiosity is 20 points is a fixed number that you have, and or it I guess or depends on the trade, on the situation. You risk 250. Okay, understood. $250. Okay, because that's yeah. You play with fire macros. Makes sense. Very good job. How many? I just so happen to be between us on the chat. Okay, makes sense. Understood. And how many? Curiosity. How many PA accounts do you have now, Eugene? Do you have one? Do you have a few? Did you already get your first payout? Yeah. hardest one. Okay. And you didn't get not yet, but you're already up enough to get one payout now, or you're close to it to get your first payout. Above trading, perfect. So it means you're allowed to get a payout. That's very good. That's very good. Nice. That's an amazing achievement. The first payout I feel is the hardest one. I still didn't get it. Hopefully soon. But I guess that one is the hardest for sure. Curiosity, what are you gonna do? Try. I want the max amount. Okay. You want to have to, I don't know which account you have, but let's say you have the 50k, 53. You means you want to have 55 in the account so you can withdraw 2k. Okay, but instead, okay, I see that. And why? Because with Apex, the good side of Apex is that you can take 2 payouts per month. So if you are up 1k over the trailing, now the 3k, you can get out 750 or 1k, and then after 10 days, maybe get another 1k. Because anyway, the minimum is 500. So, and you can get 2 payouts per month, even if it's the maximum is 2k. That is the maximum on the total, I guess. Right? So at least you can get some money to from all the hard work you got. Yeah, I do. I do agree with that. Okay, so you're gonna try to increase your cushion for a bit before speaking about withdrawing amounts. Okay, I do. Okay, I support that. Yeah, because in the end, especially now at least you don't have any more trading drawdown. That is the good side. So if you go up in a trade and it come back down, it does not move. If you get a few nice trades on the next future, and then have a nice withdrawal, then use this money that you withdraw to open like 4 or 5 accounts and get some challenge ones. Okay, now I can see your trade here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. You got your area, your entry point, you got triggered, then you just ride to the downside, the beautiful 40 points of target. I was coming even more down right now. So the idea of me shorting on the opening print level was good. Look at ES, very weak. So entering at 51.96 and 51.56 as a profit target with 20 points stop loss. Hopefully I get as well a trade. It was my wow. Okay. I'm coming back very quick. Hi. How choose? No, adesso tre. Ieri sono arrivato a 8. Poca volta. Chiudi la porta, grazie.
Hai guardato quella applicazione?
Non avevo tolto la. I thought I removed the audio when I was speaking with my cousin in Italian. So no trades for me for the moment. I'm just backtesting possible strategy in my side, but that was a beautiful trade. 40 points. That's like $400 with 5 macros. Let's see how trades by Matt is doing right now. Is he up? Is he down? He did not take any trade yet. Like me. Okay. Nothing, guys. No trades for me yet. Eugene will take an amazing trade. We were speaking in chat. Entered here at the top of Nasdaq and shorted until the opening. Sorry, the low of the day. 40 points profit. This was a fake trade for me. I'm just trying to understand which trade I can take in the next period with another strategy. And for the moment, look at this. I was thinking to short Nasdaq after, see huge rejection on the top, even if it was we had a massive resistance here. The fact is that yes, it was very weak, and shorting it weak of this 2-minute candle that went up, trying to break the highs and came down, and that was a beautiful trade. Did I know the background music? Ah. Here, just looking if something appears for me, I will be happy to take it live, but for the moment, nothing at all. We are just going down. We're giving back so much over the previous days, and like I said in pre-market, this level I don't think is gonna hold, and we're gonna go retest these levels here, so we might still have a few points, 8 points to the downside. As well, today is the last day for the discount here on Apex, 50%. You can check the link below if you are interested in it, or use my code GXNHQXYP or VP. What the heck is that letter? VP? Even I don't know it. Let me check. Maybe I should use a different font. Ah, why? Why? Power reversal is coming. Yeah, right, man. If you were not telling me, I would again forget. We have 40 minutes before power. 40 minutes, sorry, 40 seconds before power will speak. We might get the reversal, like Eugene said. And 10 seconds. Now he starts to speak, and who knows what he's gonna say. Let me see if we can have it powered speaking. Filter live. Trying to find the live. I'm still not speaking. Yes, breaking below yesterday low, and we're coming back to this level. But NQ have a huge level here. Powell did not start yet speaking. Nothing right now. He's not speaking yet. Everything is gone down. Most probably because of the UK CPI data. For the moment, no, it's probably speaking, but what we are seeing only is downside. If I have to take a long, I'll take it right now on these levels just to try to anticipate. Let's say, take drawing tools and we go for a long. Very boring. Very boring. Oh wow, the hour kind of closed on yes, but for the moment I think it's good for me. We are just waiting for my real entry. It might happen in 1 hour and not now. Wow, gonna play chess. Just playing chess because I'm waiting. Okay. I dropped his piece. He cannot move anywhere now. What the heck? That was a mistake. Of course it was. But that was really a huge blind. Oh my god. This game is gone. Yeah. How bad I am at chess. I lost so much of it. I should play slower games when I have time to think about it. Let's see my fake trade here. Some back testing. Did I get stopped out? Probably yes. Yes, I got stopped out. I put my stop loss not a few weeks below. No, it doesn't matter. I didn't get stopped out. Now he creates a double bottom. Yes, this was a better entry because even here we came closer to the level. In pre-market we said it that ES had higher chance to break yesterday low and come to this level. So fortunately we were not in a trade because we did not get our signal, but overall it's okay. Let's see how it's gonna be. Still too early for us. Maybe Paul is speaking right now and that's why there is a bounce. Let me see. Hey, wait, I need an official video. I need the official live. What is it here? How it's written? Commit. No. Hearing. Entitled. Federal Reserve. Semi-annual military police report live. Nice. No, freaking hell, not this one. This one. So Jack Paul did not speak yet, guys. I do believe he did not speak yet. Yeah, I did not speak yet. Let me put it here.
The law does not give the vice chair special abilities to unilaterally write his own preferred regulations. It does not say that the vice chair should unilaterally write public-facing book reports on bank failures or results of climate scenario experiments. Consensus is paramount.
Gentlemen, time is expired. We'll now recognize the Subcommittee Chairman, Financial Institutions and Monetary Policy, Mr. Foster, for 1 minute.
Thank you, Chair McHenry, and to Mr. Powell for being here today. In the wake of what seemed to be endless novel problems and disruption, I believe the Fed and Congress have done a reasonable job given the cards that we've been dealt. And indeed, it looks like the widely anticipated recession from the endgame of COVID disruptions, if it occurs at all, will continue to be more of a soft landing than a disaster for our economy. While there is certainly more work to be done, but in the immediate term, we can reflect with satisfaction on the historically low unemployment, 11 straight months of slowing inflation since the passage of the Inflation Reduction Act. However, I recognize that
waiting for the trade.
Monetary policies put forth to combat inflation have not been without stress, including on the fraction of our banks that chose to ignore the Fed's clear forward guidance on that interest rate hikes were in the pipeline. We on this committee remain committed to alleviating the financial stress for everyday Americans to pay rent and get food on the table. I look forward to this.
So boring right now. Oh, it may might we're close to the opening print level on ES. Very far on NQ. Yes, we are like only this as opening print level distance, and in NQ we have all that. Has a huge difference between the two. Let's see, what do we get today? Again, waiting for our trade. We don't rush it. We stay patient, like Jose repeats us every time, and we wait. Coming back down. Look how we retested perfectly the opening print level of the previous days. That's insane. Look at that. resistance, 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 support. How opening print level of the previous days are still working on the next days. This one are opening print level on Nasdaq on the previous days, and they become a huge support. I cannot be that bad on chess. I've never been that bad. What am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna try again. Be relaxed and try to succeed on this game. I cannot lose all these points every time. I'm very at 400. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna go for my standard opening print. Opening print. Okay, opening, I wanted to say. Okay, this is bad. This is already blocking the bishop to go away. Okay, let's keep it anyway. Gonna eat it. That was bad. Horse is gonna fork. Oh. Bad from me. It's okay, the game is still on. Yeah, brother, if you were shorting still on that short, you would be up insane, but it's okay. You had an amazing short, eh? Also, Eugene took an amazing short. It's paying a lot, right? Like it's some money there. What? You still have 3 minutes? Wait, let me finish this game and I will be there. I want to check. Might close it here. Oh, wait, I'm gonna move it to the right so I see. So you shorted at 149, you shorted somewhere here. And you're, oh yes, you're up 40 points with 3 minutes. Means you're up 120 with 1. That is what? 2,400? That's insane. It's a beautiful day. I mean, it's a huge support where it is right now. I mean, you can close maybe 2 of them, and one you move it to break even. That's not bad. Don't want to make any exchange anymore. Yeah, man, because I'm just waiting for something, but for the moment I've not been lucky. And I'm bad at chess as well today, even yesterday. So bad. Hmm. $4.5K? That's a beautiful trade, brother. That's a beautiful trade. What the heck? 4.5K? He's really going for all the exchange, I see that. Yes, you need to protect your king, and you see I'm doing very bad at it. I'm not protecting my king. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm gonna lose this game. Ah, it's gone. This game is gone. What can I do? I cannot do anything. I lost it. I accept my fate of dying. I went easy, but man, I don't deserve. I'm losing so many games right now. So bad at playing chess. But we're just waiting for our entry. You made your 4,000, brother. I think you've done good to exit. This is a huge level on Nasdaq. 15,100 is a huge level. If you break, okay, we're gonna have continuation. But I mean, in that case, you're just guessing. I mean, you're just hoping. But for 3 minutes, you did good. No, I am not a pro. I was good before. Like a few months ago, I was very good, but now since I even not played for a long time, you see how many mistakes I've done? That's so bad. I'm waiting for my freaking entry on this trade. It's not coming. Still have half an hour. So you made your 4K, you're done with the day. That's a good feeling, huh? Yeah, I mean, yes, I thought you maybe there is super basic. Then there is much more behind it. Yeah, it does not make sense, man. You made 4.5K. That is a huge on your monthly, situation. So it does not make sense to risk it. Yeah, but I mean, being a copier with 3 minis in each one of them, it's a huge amount. If you were in a copier with 1 mini, I would say yes, but 3 minis, in the end, today you trade it like you were with 3 accounts trading 1 mini each one of them. So that is the feeling of trading. I think today is you have to see it like you traded with 3 accounts with 1 minute each one. Yeah, discipline, long run. You're not gonna be rich today, but you can blow up today your account. That's always the same. Yeah, that is the way. Now you scalp with macros. You try to take some nice trades with it. No pressure. No pressure. Get your payout also on that account. Live to trade another day. Yeah, that is the best sentence. Live to trade another day. Thank you, by the way, Payne, for being here in the chat. Like always, appreciate you, Eugene, Jose, always there. Yesterday we did very good. We reached 8 people live in the same time. Hopefully today we can replicate. If not, it's okay. Probably need to change the I change the title. Let's see if the title will make some difference. Yeah, the entry is there. It's my entry. It should be above the opening print level here. That is my entry. If it comes to that level, I will be happy to enter. If not, probably we will go for short side here, but still half an hour. Yeah, now I don't have anything right now, honestly. I'm just waiting. My entries are still far, so too far. Oh my God. Whew. Oh. NQ is still on that level. The level on NQ is important here. It's really bouncing from it, and I had 2 lines from it. Means I had at least 2 opening print levels on that day. That's beautiful. The beautiful things of using opening print levels as a levels, they are so accurate without even going thinking. These are all opening print level. Opening print, opening print, opening print. Look at this opening print level on ES. Bounce, resistance, resistance on the wick. Perfect, perfect. Oh my God. Yesterday I went for a run and I'm dead right now. I hope to get my entry, my trades, and then I will be done on the day. Yeah, man, on the level I am right now, if you play for 1 week, you can beat me. I'm losing so many pieces with no problems. I can't beat you. Yeah, I should play right now. I mean, I have nothing to do. I'm just looking at the market, but there is nothing. Powell, I don't know if he starts to speak. Oh. What are the other lives are doing? Let's see. Patrick, I think, I don't know if he was trading. Did he trade? Trades by mat. Let's go check trades by mat. Credit by Matt is read today. And Jack Powell is that's why of this now it started right now, because all this shit is coming because of Powell is speaking right now. Let me put it here.
Employment rate increase at a 9% output gap. They've remained stable through government shutdowns. They've remained stable through severe stress testing. And maybe more importantly, just in the last few months, since the first week of March, you've seen strong capital come into play as we've grappled with the reality of a 40-year increase in short-term interest rates and that impact on banks.
Yeah.
But as the chairman said, Michael Barr continues to say he wants to increase capital requirements on certain financial institutions. And in March, you testified that you said, I will do everything I can possibly do to bring people together, meaning on the Board of Governors, in consensus and have a capital framework that could be broadly supported. So to what extent have you and the other governors been involved in this so-called holistic review by Vice Chair Barr? Has he briefed the other members of the Board of Governors thus far?
Yes, and we've all been briefed by staff, really, on the proposals, but as I mentioned, they're still somewhat in motion. But yes, we've been briefed.
So you would say those proposals are still under consideration and that there's no final decision that's been taken by the board?
No, well, no, once the proposals really do settle down and are written up, they'll come to the board for a full discussion and a vote.
Has the Fed board reconstituted now the Committee on Supervision and Regulation? The membership of it? Who's on that committee now?
So
you already won 2 games?
It's chaired by Vice Chair Barr, and it also includes Governor Jefferson.
I mean, if you want 2 games, man, pay after like 1 day.
When you look at capital in the U.S., and I look at the globally significant banks here versus other places in the world, would you say that the U.S. banks, the U.S. G-SIBs, are better capitalized than their global peers in Europe or in Asia?
So we're certainly at or near the top of the league table. I think there are a couple other jurisdictions that also have broadly similar levels of capital strength. But yes, we're at the top of the league table.
I looked at it this morning, and U.S. G-SIBs have 11.3% capital without any kind of modification compared to their European competitors at only 9.9%. So would you say that we're better capitalized than the European banks, the European G-SIBs?
I hate to call out the other jurisdictions, but I would say our banks are very strongly capitalized and also competing quite successfully globally outside the United States.
Yeah, I agree, and I think we've strengthened capital, we've strengthened our supervision, notwithstanding the problems that we saw this spring, which we've talked about ad nauseum here. But that capital standard does make American banks, I think, stand out. And wouldn't Basel, the so-called Basel III holistic reforms, wouldn't it be better if the European banks did a holistic review and actually got their capital up to American standards?
So I think they are bound by the same, no one's bound by these, but they have agreed to follow the same standards, and I think they're going through the same process we're going through.
Same topic, are the FDIC supervisory process and the OCC supervisors, are they involved and engaged with Vice Chair Barr in looking at this, quote, holistic review of capital adequacy?
I think,
in other words, are they providing their input to the Vice Chair for supervision in their own views on this topic?
On the regulatory proposals that are relevant to them, yes. I think on the capital proposals, yes, I believe so.
And you made a comment a minute ago, I think, to Chairman McHenry's questions about that you'd like to see rules and supervisory rules consistent over time. And I think that's frustrating here. We see change in administration. Sometimes we see change in rules, which is, I think, frustrating to the private sector and to market participants. I note that the Biden administration says that the Financial Stability Oversight Board should now base their decisions on size as opposed to activities. And for several years now, we've had an activities designation and a cost-benefit analysis. Do you think the activities designation gives supervisors more discretion at FSOC to select who should be deemed under their supervision?
So I actually think that
in other words, is size alone, should we be looking only at size, or should we look at cost-benefit analysis and activities? And my time's expired. If you'd answer in writing, I would appreciate it. I think this is an important issue. I yield back, Mr. Chairman.
We'll now go to Ms. Velasquez of New York for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Chair Powell, at your press conference last week, you stated, and I quote, "The committee is completely unified in the need to get inflation down to 2%.
They're just speaking and nothing's moving.
To get it down to 2%
Look at NQ.
Some analysts have interpreted this statement as the
if by mistake he sneezes and he says, "Yes, economy is bad,"
in order to get inflation to 2%. How would you respond if this is a fair and accurate interpretation?
So our statutory goals are price stability and maximum employment, and we are
Brother, good luck. Very good job on your side. Thank you very much again for your chat. Thank you for coming, like always. Thank you again for being here with me. Good luck with your day. Enjoy your day. You did amazing. You're 4.5K.
And we're very
Enjoy
focused
it.
on getting back to 2%.
And
oh my God. Login. What are we doing? Statistic. Very boring day for the moment for me. Coming back. Back. We are back. Nothing happened for us. No trades for the moment. Let me see. Just waiting for the moment nothing's happening. I don't know. Waiting for the trade, but I'm also working in some stupid things. So that's the reason why I'm not really speaking right now. But if you have any questions, I'm here to reply to you. What I was doing here? Okay. That's good. Okay, I'm back. I was working on stupid things. Wow. Luckily I'm back in the correct time. What the heck? What is it? Wow. 20 seconds.
Order submitted.
Okay, I have my cell there. And as well, I'm gonna put my cell here.
Order submitted.
Ready to enter a trade if it works out, guys. What we have to check the... What is it? Okay, the copier is okay, so if we enter a trade we should have... We can have a nice continuation to the downside. But let's see, if we break this level I will be happy to enter. And QC looks weak. Or this is the reversal. We're not gonna get filled. Who knows? Two people watching right now. Who are you? Who are you? If you're watching right now,
Order filled.
You can ask any question. I will be happy to reply to you, help to you. Okay, I got filled. Wow, okay. That was quick. Let's put some risk reward here. How was that? Okay. So I'm risking here. Okay, let's prove it. My profit target will be here. Same on my last. Who knows? I will be stopped out. Maybe I will win. We don't know. We have to accept it. The outcome has to be accepted, no matter what. I accept my loss. I accept that what I can win, what I can lose. So I'm relaxed on the trade. I can as well. I can move on and don't watch it. Did I get? Okay, I'm in all the accounts currently. Okay, that's good. Hopefully we get this nice. How many points is that? Oh, that's. Wow, that's 8 points, huh? Almost. Didn't expect it. So means I'm gonna lose 200 points, $200 if the trade does not work. But if it works, that's a nice 400 gain, huh? Okay, it would be nice if we close below the level we entered on this 10 minutes candle. If you have any question, you're welcome to ask me anything. I'll be happy to reply to you. Give an advice if I can help you. You're welcome. You are welcome. Come on, give us a huge candle to the downside, then we don't waste too much time on this trade. I like Q on the left, that is very weak. And remember, today it's the last day I think in Apex, you have the 50% discount. So you're thinking about it, you can use my code. This will help me a lot, and I will thank you a lot. And I will continue to do these lives every day. I think looking at the graph, especially on the hour chart on ES, that's why the reason why I entered as well. We have more possibility of downside than long side. Even if we had a nice support here, we are rejecting the lows of yesterday. So you see, we had a nice break and retest of these lows, and we're coming back down again to retest it. We didn't even retest properly this level, so I think we have chance to go retest it. That was my idea on the trade. If it works,
Target filled.
what the? Wow! Let's go! That was an amazing trade. Let's go, guys. I got filled in no time. That was beautiful. Let's go! Enter the 1225. Break a retest of this area. And we come back and retest it in no time. I think we had a week, probably some. Let's go to 1 minute chart. Wow, 1 minute chart, it went down so fast. Let's go. This trade gives us nice confidence. 375 back to 50,000 on two accounts, back to 50,900 on the other two, and as well 187 on the other little one. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Happy, super happy. This was needed. This was needed. Now almost 8 points. It was 7 points and a half. Let's go. Amazing, one trade and done. It was so quick, and look at that, how we wicked it on my exit. 4475. Beautiful. 2-to-1 risk reward. Look at that. If I put here was my entry and that was my stop loss. That was beautiful. 2-to-1 risk reward. Let's go. In 4 accounts, that is 375 multiplied by 4. That's 350 multiplied by 4 is 700, 1400 plus. Oh no, that's 100. That's 1500. I think it's 1500, yeah. Beautiful. If this was 4 peer accounts, that would be 1500 on the day with one trade. Beautiful. Patience worked out. We waited for it, and it came out. We were still making lower highs. We entered on it, and we made a 2-to-1 risk reward. That's what we like. I can go 5 minutes chart. That's what I want to see right now. Amazing trade. Amazing trade. One nice good trade, and we are done on the day almost. Let's see if we get another trade. We'll be happy to take it, but I don't want to wait like yesterday all day. One trade for the moment, up 375 in each account. Beautiful trade. Bring us back the accounts to 50k, and we can move on to try to pass them. It was quite fast. I didn't expect the trade was gonna close that quick. Glad I entered as well. The risk reward was super nice. So I entered here, and after less than 5 minutes I got filled. The profit target was on the wicks on the bottom. That was a nice trade one. It's quite boring today, huh? Like, if you have any question about trading, you want to ask me anything, I would be happy to reply, be happy to help you, give you some advice, tell you what you're doing wrong, if I can give it to you, if I can help you. Oh, you're still bouncing, huh? That was a good exit. So that was a good exit to get out on that level. If we get a nice second trade, it won't be that bad, huh? Wow, that's a huge bounce, huh? So it means we are finding support in the end. But NQ is still there, running slowly down. Look at that NQ. Let's go. We have some wicks here on the bottom, so it means that we can find some support again here. But definitely start to short on these levels on Q is chasing. It's really chasing. You might be careful that we had massive wicks, means buyers can step in again. That's very interesting because now if you go to the daily chart, that's a huge candle what we're having today, yeah? Look at that, the candle that we formed right now. And that is the levels I'm trying to is the closing of this candle, opening this one, week of the next one. So this area of 500, yes, 500. 500 is the level to be careful. That's what it is right now. 15,000 I wanted to say. 15,000 is the level to be careful right now. So if you're thinking to enter short on NQ, I would be careful, because here it's a support, and as well, yes, we are still bouncing. So my exit on yes was perfect for the moment. I entered here, I get out here, took my 2-to-1 risk reward, and let's go. Let's give some nice bounce back on the account. Hopefully we're gonna pass this challenge. Hopefully, finger crossed, eh? And guys, avoid to use the 1 minute chart. Just really avoid it. I thought it was the good one to use to trade, but it's gonna just kill you over time. Use the 5 minutes, the 2 minutes to improve your entry. Okay, 5 minutes isn't better. 15 minutes to trade, but don't use the 1 minute. If you have any question, I'm here. Huh? Okay, we'll put in some lights. Uh, 5:24 means what time there? 12:20? No, 11:24 in US, New York time. How many people are we right now? 3 people. Yesterday we managed to reach 8. I think I'm gonna play chess again right now. We don't have anything. Well, we're bouncing on NQ. If we got the 2 minutes chart, not that much honestly. We're just making lower highs until we don't break that lower highs on NQ. It's useless to think about long side as well. The shorts were here. Here it was a nice short. It was a breaker test at this level. This short here, short again at this level. So as I told you, it were close to the 15,000. So it does not make sense. But until I don't see this happening, like going above this level, then I don't think it's worth to go long. And we might try to go long to reach this level. Yeah. So So looking at it right now, we are again go back to our entry on NQ on ES. So if we break above this level, we come back and retest it. We can have maybe a signal that starts to go higher. Powell, I think is done speaking. He's gonna speak again tomorrow. But I guess the main question that probably ask him are done today, and tomorrow would be very similar. So not that much difference from them. So I don't think tomorrow is gonna be a huge problem. But tomorrow we have other house market news. So at 8:30 a.m. New York time. Okay, wow, that was a beautiful exit on ES. Look at that exit, and then we bounced to our entry. Wow, that was, what was it, 7 points and a half for trade. Let's go. Super happy with it. Okay. Breaker test on NQ on this level, but I wouldn't short it. Yes, now from the triple bottom. Okay, let's play some chess. I need to win this game. I really need to win this game. I have to be aggressive and try to don't lose any piece, because for the moment I traded good today, but I played very bad chess. I should have taken this piece. I do need to win this game. I cannot lose another chess game. I lost too many points. That was a huge change of pieces, but I'm 2 points ahead. Ah! I missed the horse. I could have taken the horse. And instead I was still thinking about the line. That's why I moved too fast without thinking. That was a free horse. My god. I'm gonna put the bishop on the line of the horse. Nice. Let's see if he's gonna take it. If he takes it, it's checkmate. No, he does not. Okay, I'm gonna just take the... Okay. The heck? It happened there. Did I do a mistake? Oh, my mistake. I thought I was in a different position. Okay, let's go. Okay, all good. No! Oh yeah, it's still okay. Oof. I almost forked my own tower. It's okay, I think you can even eat it if you want. Just eat it. Don't care, you can eat the tower. Finally one victory. Took us so much to win one game today. So let's go check the market, because we start to have, see, when I was telling you don't short at this level, don't short on this breaker test. Why? Yes, did a triple bottom, and second, you check the bigger time frame and you see that on the 1 hour, okay, here it does not show it, let's go for the daily. I'll show you. We are on this important, oh my god, see, closing high of this candle, low with this candle, opening of this one, weak of this one. We are retesting this area of retest, so we're bouncing from it on in NQ. So that's the important things of not shorting when the move is already done. Very nice. From our side to the non-short, insane NQ, we are back to the, well, opening print level is still here above. The opening print level on NQ is far, very far, almost 140 points. Wow, we went down a lot, 200 to 200 points. That's insane. Playing minis like I was doing in the past, this would have killed me or made me some good money. What time? I'm thinking as well to call it for today. I mean, if you're here, you want to ask me a question, I will be happy to reply to you. If not, I will just call it and get my 375 on the day if the trade does not appear. Whew. I would be happy to reply to your questions. Any doubt? How many? I think we lost one subscriber, but oh no, we gained one back. Thank you for the new one. I don't have the notification fortunately for the moment, but thank you for the new subscriber. Oh, the CoffeeZilla new episode is out, so probably I even can watch that one right now. Waiting for the next entry. Very nice push on ES, opening print level is there. And the opening print level will match with this massive level on Nasdaq. It's gonna match. So the idea is, or you can try to short it. Try to get a short on this one. Or if you think that is well very strong, you wait, it breaks above in both of them, and then you try to look for a long when you try to test the two levels or similar things. Don't try to go for long right now. Right now is you will have just the move until the levels, the opening print level, and that's it. Maybe if you think that it's gonna touch it, you may try to get a test at these levels here, 65 on Nasdaq, and go back here. But for the moment, don't go long. We had 3, 6, 7 consecutive green 2 minutes candle and just little red ones. And today is the last discount for Apex, guys. So if you're thinking to get a funded account, you can use my code. It's there, it's available, and you can get a 50% discount on the Apex. That is everything about trading, guys. Because people think trading is exciting. It's not. Trading is boring. It's really boring. You can try to make it exciting and stuff like that, but I don't think the real trading, when it's about probability and statistic, it's not exciting. Because you are just, for example, taking the coin, you know that you have a coin that has a 60% probability it will flip in one side. And what do? You take the coin, you flip it, you see you won, you lost, you take again, you flip it, and you repeat this hundreds, thousands of times. This is trading. Because you know that you have a edge, so you have a special coin that has 60% probability or 70% probability to flip in one side. And what you do? You just repeat it. You take, you repeat, you take, you repeat, you take, you repeat. So this is the part of trading. Not super exciting, but it makes us money, I guess. Covered some loss from yesterday and today. Because of Friday taking one more trade than I should have done, today I should have already recovered the loss of Friday. But instead, I'm still here fighting to recover it, but nice to be back at 50,000 on the accounts, on 2 accounts of them. See? Okay, we really don't really touch it, but like I said before, taking long at this area would have been a killer. See? Now what I said is we come to retest this level. So if you see some response at this level that wants to push higher, yeah, you might enter for a quick pop. The pop is coming on yes right now. This is the level, it's getting retested. So if you think that NQ has better chance to go to, I would say between the two, probably I will enter on probably yes for the pop here. Between the two, it looks more clean than NQ. So I would say between the two, I will enter long here. Maybe go for a 2 minutes chart, try to find a better entry. Oh, it's already bouncing. Enter here with this wick. Yeah, it's a bit risky, yeah. But it might work. It might really work. I usually wait, I like to see a green candle as a confirmation. But the 5 minutes I just opened, so it's not very good. But yeah, the pop is coming, and as well NQ started to find some support. So I guess that was the good way to do, is waiting. Like I said, going long in this area would have been just chasing, waiting for it to come back and test this level before going to touch these ones was the correct game. But will it work? No, but if you have to keep trading, you might lose and you might win. I'm just waiting right now to see if something is gonna happen. Whoa, very, very boring. Oh. you. If you have any questions about trading, about your psychology, about your strategy, I'm here to help. You can ask me anything. Okay. If I would maybe scalping in queue, maybe I would have gone long right now. We have 2 minutes. Let's see. Let's try it with a nice drawing tools. Risk reward. We have 2 minutes. Candle that is green. Risking the low of this one, of this pullback. Ugh. And that is a okay. That is a 2-to-1. Almost. Yeah, that is a 2-to-1. We have a breaker test on ES, looking maybe to retouch the open print, and NQ looking to touch again this 15,100 level. Can be a nice play, this one. You're risking 10 points. You're trying to make 20 points, and you're not really looking for that one. You can try to look for a fake one. This is the good side when you have this kind of trades, is that yes, it can go. The idea is to go to this level, but if you just reach the highs, then come back, you don't care anymore. Ten minutes to the end of this candle. Let me close this trade here. This was the trade I took before on ES. Amazing trade, winner. Okay. No. Remove. Okay. Oh, you were breaking it, but it's still too early. I do believe it's gonna work because we have a nice push. A pullback and second try, never know. We make a new high here. That's gonna work. This is a fake trader. Just I'm back testing it, and would get stopped out. There goes stopped out. Interesting. In the end, ES did not reach this. Did not manage to keep this level. Ooh, I think we're moving in a choppy side. Look at the choppiness in here on ES. Up, down, up again, down again, up again. What is gonna do again? Down. Maybe we are in this range. Ooh. Woohoo! 8 minutes to the end of this candle. It's gonna be interesting now. Now we have both chances to go up and higher, but we're still rejecting these levels on ES. We're still very weak. Very, very weak. How long we still have to this candle, 1 hour candle to close? 1 hour. 7 minutes. Less 6 minutes right now. It's gonna be interesting. What I hope right now is that we don't go down right away, but we come back at this level, we come back here on this areas of level, and then we break down. And if we do that, I would be happy to enter at this break. If we break right now, I don't like it, because we risk to go up right away. Let's see. Oh, we're coming down. Wow, okay. Did not expect this. Wow. I was hoping for, like, come on, go back up, and then you can go down again. That's what I need right now. Come back to these levels, get some liquidity, and then we push down together. Okay, come on, push back. Still too early. Maybe this was the break in retest. This was the retest. Hopefully that's what I'm looking for, that we go here, we get some buyers, and then we break again, and then I will be happy to short with trapping all the buyers. If not, ay. How many people we have right now? 391 subscribers. Let's go, let's add one more. 392, come on. One more like on the live to reach 10 likes. 2 minutes and a half, 40 seconds to this 1 hour candle to close. Very weak on E and Q, very weak on ES. Come on, give me a green candle here on the 5 minutes. Give me a green candle. 2 minutes for it to close. It's no, come on. Oh, okay. It's really not moving, yeah. What choppiness right now. One minute to this 1 hour candle to close. "30 seconds, we can figure it out very soon right now." For the moment, the situation on the hour is very bad. We have wicks up and above. Closing in 2, 1, and we are officially close. Okay, I'm gonna put a buy here.
Order submitted.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I missed my buy here. Let's see.
Order submitted.
No,
Order
I
filled.
wanna sell.
Order filled.
Freaking hell. I wanted to buy.
Order submitted.
I messed up the buttons there. Oh, so okay, we're gonna try to go for the opening print level. Maybe we're gonna get stopped out right away. Is it gonna happen? Who knows? But oh, I'm happy that I did not get filled here then. Oh, we get stopped out. I'm risking what? 2 points and a half? That's not bad. 2 points and a half. Yeah. And drawing tools, risk reward. To this level. So my profit target is less than 6 points. It's even better below this level. Okay, that's good. I like it. If it's come back, If it does not come back, I'm gonna close it. If this hits my stop loss, I'm gonna call it a day because I'm tired and I'm happy to go and enjoy my day. And if it hits my target on the right and it does not hit here on the left, I would be super happy because it means that yeah, I'm not gonna get stopped out in all of them. One push.
Order filled.
Second, retest. push higher. Finger cross. Okay, I got filled here. What the heck? There is no strategy. I hate this. I hate this. Okay, need to put my own personal stop loss.
Order submitted.
And what is the profit target? Is here.
Order submitted.
Okay. The strategy didn't go in, but I really like it because we can have a nice push to the open print. We had a nice push, we made a new highs, we came back, we can retest and then push higher. If this candles was gonna close above, I would have gone short. But because we went even more down, we come back to this level, I do like it for the long. Finger crossed it works. Finger crossed it works. And let's go watch it together. If it doesn't work, it's okay. I think we're gonna lose 3.5 points compared to the 7.5 points we made before. That's nothing. That means we are up. We will be up 5 points on the day, and it's a good day. Meeting dates. Later I will try to go for a run again. Yesterday I did it, but almost 3 hours of live. Wow. Okay. Okay, don't. If this 5 minutes close above, will be perfect. And we still have 30 seconds for it. Love that. I love as well NQ's pushing right now. It's not the strongest things ever, but we don't need a huge push here. We need like even less than. We need 5 points. Yeah, we need only 5 points push on a yes. And the 5 minutes count is closing in 10 seconds. Okay, let's play chess. Chess did not bring me luck in the last period when I was playing it. But I don't want to concentrate too much on the trade. I will just get the idea of moving my take profit and moving my stop loss. That's it's important of accepting your loss. Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's get another trade today. It'd be nice for our accounts. And a very nice push on now. Beautiful push. Nice. This okay, he moved it. And I can take this one. Come on. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Our profit target is 1 point from it. We're not gonna touch it. Maybe less right now. Come on. Okay, 0.25. Wow. 0.25 to get filled. I did not get filled. That's very sad. What was the profit target? 18, 2025. Yeah, for 1 tick.
Order
Let's
filled.
go. Let's go, another one. And also here, I'm gonna close this
Order
one.
cancelled.
Let's go, guys. Another trade. 725. If you just arrived on the live, just go back 10 minutes and you will see my last trade. A beautiful break and retest of this level. We broke above and we pointed a 2-to-1 risk reward. That was the trade. Beautiful. Beautiful. In like less than 10 minutes. We were close. Very up today, very nice. I'm happy because we recovered yesterday with yesterday, and today we recovered Friday. If it was not for the Friday that we did very bad, we could have been much happier today. Okay, we won this game as well of chess. Beautiful, guys. Up nice. 625 multiplied by 4 on the challenge account. If you traded with me, I'm happy if you took these trades. If you didn't trade it with me, I hope you learned something today. If you're welcome the next time to ask me any questions and speak about trading. If you're a beginner, you're welcome to ask me any questions. We're on the same boat, trying to learn, trying to make money, so you're totally welcome. So guys, I think I'm probably gonna call it right now. If you want to ask this question, I will be here, but very happy. My mentor will be happy that today I took 2 trades and I followed my rules. He's gonna be proud of me. Thank you, Jose. Mentor of the $10 likes. Thank you for the like. Who put the like right now? Thank you. I just saw it. I saw the last increment. The last increment has been there. Oh, it's sad when you're a fresh liver. Usually it's very hard because you don't have anyone to speak with. So and as reply to question, have a chat. Okay, I'm gonna call it, guys. It has been a pleasure. Thank you for everyone coming for the live. If you have any question, you're welcome tomorrow again for the next live. Today we took 2 trades, 2 green trades, up 625. Brings us back the account alive. It's very nice. Bring us our little P account back to nice number after the big loss of Friday. Friday was a mistake. Other mistakes, we're recovering on it as well, so it gives us back a nice cushion on it. 625 multiplied by 4, that is what, 1200, 2400, 2500 made today with 4 challenge accounts. That's amazing. We still need to make a lot more, but we should make in total 3k multiplied by 4, 12k. So 2400 helps a lot on that direction. See you guys again tomorrow, guys. It was a pleasure, and thank you for coming today. For everyone that chatted with me in the chat, I really appreciate it. I appreciate everyone. Payne, Jose, like always, Eugene, the new one, Nokia. Thank you again, and see you next time.